Welcome back to the channel. If you're ready to simplify your tax season and keep all your financial information in one secure place, you're in the right spot. In this video, I'll walk you through a foolproof, step-by-step guide on how to sign up for a TurboTax account in 2025. Whether you're brand new to filing taxes online or just setting up a fresh account, this quick tutorial will get you ready to file in minutes. Let's dive in. Go to the TurboTax website, open your browser, and head to the official TurboTax website. You can type turbotax.intuit.com directly into the address bar or simply search for TurboTax in Google or Bing. Once the homepage loads, take a moment to look around. You'll see their free filing option, premium packages, and helpful tools that fit different tax situations. Locate the Sign Up button. In the top right corner of the homepage, you'll find the Sign Up button. Click it to start creating your account. Create your account. Now you're on the sign up page. Here's what you'll need to enter. Email address. Use one you check often since TurboTax will send confirmations and updates. Password. Create a strong, unique password using a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols for maximum security. Phone number if prompted. This adds an extra layer of protection and helps with account recovery if needed. Double check all your details for accuracy. When everything looks good, click Create Account. By doing so, you're agreeing to TurboTax's terms of service and privacy policy. Confirm your email. TurboTax will send you a confirmation email almost immediately. Open your inbox, find the message, and click the activation link. This verifies your account and ensures you can access all features securely. And that's it. You've successfully signed up for a TurboTax account, setting yourself up for an easier, more organized tax season. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more straightforward how-tos, and share it with anyone getting ready to file their taxes this year. Thanks for watching, and here's to a stress-free tax season.